Welcome! In this video, I will be replacing the standard halogen bulbs in my Honda Jazz with this drop-in LED light bulb replacement. My Honda Jazz uses reflector headlights, and here you can see a quick before and after. So let's take a quick look. These are Philips Altinon Essential G2's H4 socket, and they work for high beams and low beams. They're designed as drop-in replacements, and it's slightly bluer than daylight, and it lasts 1500 hours, which is about 5 times longer than the high-performance halogen bulbs. So you can see the bulb has some heat sink at the connector end with a cable coming out. So it's a H4 connection. There's a fan on the back, so when the lights are on, the fan will be spinning. There's 2 sets of LEDs. The one on the top would be for high beams, the one with the metal shield, and the lower one is just your regular low beams. The high beam shield or reflector should face upwards when the bulb is installed. And lastly, this H4 adapter is removable. A comparison with the halogen bulb. From the H4 adapter upwards, their physical size is quite similar, and the position of the LEDs line up with the position of the light emitting part of the halogen bulb. Below the H4 adapter, the LED is of course much bigger due to the heatsink, and of course it has the electrical connector coming out. The bulb is installed, but most of the heatsink is trapped behind the rubber cap. But a quick test shows that the airflow does still seem to be good, so this should work fine, hopefully. And that is it. I will leave you with some photos of the end results, some comparisons, and some test drive footage. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Bye!